Hi everyone, I'm Christy Rutledge and I'm going to be showing you the website that I made for COM 310. So right here is my website. It's called Clean Tree and I based it on like a nonprofit organization that would spread awareness on how important it is to be keeping our national forests clean. So I'd explain like who we are, and then I go down to give some information and some facts about the number of visitors a year and the total national parks. And then I just have a donate here button. So the reason behind some of my design choices, I'll start at the bottom, was one, I wanted it to be very neutral colors that I used and very professional pictures and just very eye-catching things. So I made sure the donate here button was a nice soft yellow brown that was more of a neutral color, and I really wanted to keep the white space, and I wanted my headers and my main topics to draw attention, so I made sure that I put them in black and that my paragraphs were put in gray. I just felt like that added like a nice contrast and that you were able to really, your eyes were able to draw attention to the bolder text and to the darker color and be able to say like, oh yeah, okay, national parks. Okay, number of visitors a year. It was very eye catching and kind of helped make you want to read more and everything. And again, that's the same thing I did. And then for my logo, I wanted to keep it super neutral as well, and I actually pulled some colors from the pictures to keep it more consistent and everything. I definitely would say the hardest everything was pretty challenging. There was a lot of trials and errors about this project, but making classes and editing the HTML, I knew how to do it, but it was all about like, okay, well, where do I put this? Where do I put this and stuff? And thankfully, some help with some tutoring, and our professor Sister B was able to help me figure out some of that stuff. So that was awesome. But I definitely would say like editing the HTML, the CSS made sense to me because it was designed, but HTML was kind of like the okay, well, how do we make this work versus how do we make it look? So that's a bit about my website. Again, I'll just run it through you guys real fast. Clean Tree, description of who we are, some pictures, little short paragraphs, and a place where you could donate. I'm also showing you guys this on XD, so it does look a little different than the main website, but I felt like this gave a clear and professional look, so I just showed you the XD that I use. Thank you guys.